So hello, this is my first video. I'm recording my voice and I hope it will be more interesting to you. We are in Niš, visiting the ancient settlement of Mediana. Mediana is located at the exit from Niš in the direction of Niška Banja. It is the spa. Here you can buy a ticket where you can see a small hand pointing the building. The ancient settlement of Mediana is the endowment of the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great and his sons. It was imperial mansion used for enjoyment, state affairs and agricultural estate. The residential park consists of buildings with mosaic, frescoes and sculptures. The economic park consists of workshops and warehouses for storing goods. The sacral part consists of two early Christian churches. Imperial Constantine the Great visited the place several times during his reign. Thanks to him, the persecution of Christians and Christianity ended. So it is kind of interesting to be on the foots of someone who lived here several thousand years ago. So ancient people lived here in the 4th century, and 20 objects were found here during the exploration of this place, this yard. The settlement was destroyed in the invasion of Huns in the middle of 5th century, and then again inhabited in the Middle Ages. Mosaics are protected with the glass bridges. And here are some remains of in the southern part of the estate, where several rooms were found. Among them, this mosaic carpet. Now we are entering into the villa with peristyle. This is a beautiful mosaic floor and Constantine's sculpture. He was born in Niš. Nowadays it's Niš. It was Naissos back then, and mosaics were made on a white background with stone, ceramic and glass pieces. In this video you may see only small part of Mediana. You simply must come and see how beautiful this settlement is and to enjoy the atmosphere of ancient Rome. Now we are going backyard to visit military barracks together with church remains and bath building. They're all in the same area. More description about the rituals the ancient Rome has during the bath, please read in the description below this video. So this is the warehouse. It was built only on one floor, ground floor. So that's it. For more info, go to the description under the video. We hope to see you again. Please write me the comments. Do you like more video with my voice or without, only with music? Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye!